hello. Say hello, teacher. How are you today? Bon, say I'm happy. Okay, Bon, happy? Very good. Now, are you ready for test? You say yes. Bon, say yes. Okay, now let's find the correct picture. Where is goat? Goat. Bon, let's point to goat. Pond. Bon, point it to goat. You just say goat. Okay, no problem. Where is chicken? Chicken. Wow, what is this? Yes, Bon, what is this? Bon, say chicken. Okay, where is cow? Cow. Wow, very good scene. Yes, Bon, what is this? We say cow. Okay, very good. Now, duck, fish, mouse. Where is duck? Where is duck? Bon, put the flashcard here. Yes, what is this? You say duck. Okay. Where is mouse? Mouse. Wow, very good. Now, Bon, let's look at the picture. Bon, say mouse. Okay, very good. So now that's enough for today. Everyone, let's say goodbye, teacher. Bye-bye. Bon and Sin say goodbye, teacher. Bye-bye. Okay.